Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will learn relation and functions 5 marks question number 7th dear students. So let us see the question what they had asked. Let A is equal to capital R minus 3 and B is equal to capital R minus 1. Consider the function f from A to B defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Full point is f11 and onto question mark. Justify your answer dear students. So they have given the function f of x is equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Is this function is 1 1 and onto? In this intervals they are given r minus 3. This is our domain and this is our codomain dear students B. So r minus 1. So now let us check whether it is a 1 1 and onto or not. So now how to begin you see here. First you write the given function. Given f of x is what? F of x is x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. This is one of the important question dear students. Very easily you can solve this one. Now let us see 1 1 now. 1 1. Is it 1 1 or not? Let us check. See here. How to write in exam? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to, that is the domain is what here dear students? That is A we can say. Domain. Domain is A. A is nothing but what? R minus 3 dear students. You may ask, sir, R minus 3 why you have written? R is a real number dear students. Why we are writing R minus 3 means, if I put 3 in our function, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So that's why function should be defined. Then only you can check it what 1 1 and onto and all. So now see here, that is in 3 function is not defined. 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ r minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಸಿ f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So now you compare with this f of x and f of x1. What is the difference you can see? X in place of x, x1 is there. Can you see? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f of x f of x1 ಗೆ x ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ x1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ x1 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So what I am saying dear students, you compare this and this f of x and f of x1. In place of x, x1 is there. Wherever x is there, no, wherever x, there you replace by x1 dear students. So now I can replace by what? x1. x1 minus 2. x1 ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. So divided by what? x1 minus 3. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ x1 ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದೆ. So next is what? f of x2. Same only this is in place of x what? x2. So then I can write it as what? x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Will you agree? So now cross multiply this one. So you cross multiply that to this one. So what will happen you see? x1 minus 2 into what you will get? x2 minus 3 dear students. I cross multiply this side. x1 minus 2 into what? x2 minus 3. So again you cross multiply this side. You see here. x1 minus 3 had gone this side into what? x2 minus 2 dear students. Clear? So how I had cross multiplied? I had shown you by arrow mark. It is not required to show in exam dear students. If you want you can show also. Doesn't matter. So you multiply this one. x1 into x2, x1 x2 we can write. So now see, x1 into minus 3, x1 into minus 3 is minus 3x1. So now see, minus 2 into x2, minus 2 into x2 is minus 2x2. Now see, minus 2 into into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 2 3s is how much, dear students? That is 6. Will you agree, everyone? Simplification. So now similarly we can multiply this. See here. X1 into x2 is equal to x1 x2. Will you agree? See here. X1 into minus 2. X1 into minus 2 is minus 2x1. And now see, minus 3 into x2 is minus 3x2. See here, minus 3 into minus 2, minus into minus, that is plus. 3 2s are plus 6, dear students. So this plus 6 get cancelled. Will you agree, everyone? And now see, x1 x2 also will get cancelled. So now what we can do now, dear students? Observe very carefully. So now see, minus 3x2 is there. Now you take on RHS, I mean LHS. Minus 3x2 ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, LHS side ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So minus 3x2 will become what, dear students? Plus 3x2. What is here? Minus 2x2 is there. I will write as it is. Minus 2x2. You see, minus 3x1 is there here. Minus 3x1. You take on RHS. It will become plus 3x1. This is what? Minus 2x1 as it is. This side. I hope everyone it is clear. So now 3x2 minus 2x2. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1, no? 1 x2 will get. 1 I will not write. 1 into x2 is x2 only. Everyone know that. 3x1 minus 2x1 is x1, dear students. So you can see here x1 is equal to x2 means therefore f is what? F is 1 1, dear students. F is 1 1. Clear up? Everyone understood how to write 1 1? This question is little bit different as comparatively other questions whichever we have solved. We can solve it easily, but it is not that much difficult. It's very easy only. Don't worry. You write like this, you will get the marks. So now next we have to go for what? Onto function, dear students. Onto function, you see. Let y belongs to what? Y belongs to b, dear students. Y belongs to b. B is nothing but what? R minus 1. Will you agree? R minus 1 it belongs to. So y is nothing but what? F of x. Everyone know this. In previous videos we have discussed such type of sums. Y is equal to what now? F of x. What is f of x, dear students? F of x, can you see here? X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. X minus 2 divided by x minus 3. You cross multiply this one. What will get, you see? Can you see this? X in, otherwise I will show you. Cross multiply y into what? X minus 3. I will show this one how to multiply also clearly. Some of them will not understand directly. That's why I am writing like this. So y into x minus 3, dear students. So you multiply y into x is xy. Y into minus 3 is minus 3y x minus 2. Clear? How to find here x value, dear students? So x value you see here. What will happen? So maximum students will get confused in finding x. Here many of them again they will take y only common. So that's why it will go wrong, dear students. How to get, you see? xy is here, x is here. X term you make one side. x term को एक ही तरफ करो. x term ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. So plus x, if I take this side, it will become minus x. Will you agree? Minus 3y, you take that side, it will become plus 3y minus 2. Minus 2 is as it is only. Minus 3y I have taken on RHS. Minus 3y has become plus 3y. So what is common in this? You can see. Illu x is there. What is common? X is common. X into y minus 1 and this is 3y minus 2. So x is equal to what? 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Understood? X value we got or not? This is our x value. Understood? So and this only I am saying, this belongs to what, you know, everyone. This belongs to what? That is domain, dear students. Domain is what? R minus 3. R minus 3. This belongs to domain. For all y belongs to what? For all y belongs to r minus 1, I am saying. R minus 1. So that means y value, anything you put except 1. You should not put y value as 1, dear students. Why we are not putting? 1 minus 1 is again it is 0. It is not defined. That's why they are given r minus 1. So y value, anything you put real number except 1. So there exists a what value which will come in this real number only, r minus 3. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ r minus 3. This is the way of writing, dear students. Got it? So I think you have copied this side. Otherwise, if you are not copied, you copied this side. We will continue a little bit. Some more sentences there. We'll continue with that. Please copy this. Let's continue, dear students. I hope you have copied it. So if you are understanding something from this video, please like my channel, dear students. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಮೆಂಟು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್, no problem, dear students. Fine. So how to continue this one? Now see here, corresponding to, last also we have done like this, corresponding to every y belongs to what it is? R minus 1. That is nothing but b, dear students. Everyone know this. There exists what? There exists x belongs to, that is x value is what? This only I am saying. This x 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1, which belongs to what? R minus 3, dear students. Correct? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು x ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1 you should not put. Fine. So such that f of x is equal to y. X is nothing but what? 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore f is what? Onto. F is onto. Hence f is both 1 and onto. We have justified our answer, dear students. So this much if you write, you will get 5 marks in board exam, dear students. I hope you have understood something from this video. So if you have understood something, so please like my channel and share to your friends and subscribe those who are new. So we'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.